Uh, Today we will learn how to create local repository server for updating our operating system and installing any additional applications. Okay, so we will create this repository using RHEL latest DVD. Okay, so I am using the same ISO file which I have used to install this operating system earlier. So, let's start the video. Before starting the video, I'm requesting you to please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it, and like the video, share if someone want to learn Red Hat Linux. Okay, so also hit the bell icon so that you can get updated whenever I put any video. You can easily find. Okay, so let's start. So, so this is the requirement here. I have put some command here. You can check. So go to the operating system. Here I am. First of all, I will check the disk. Okay. Here you can see in the root directory, root partition, I have given 10 GB of space, and in var there 25 GB approx. So it is showing 24 GB. So we will copy the DVD in this var folder only, and this is SR0. It is showing DVD. This is a DVD file, ISO file. Okay, so I'm just creating a dir like in a directory in root partition. Slash is for root, RHEL8, uh, root RHEL8. Now I am mounting this ISO file to this RHEL8 directory. Okay. It is mounted. Here you can see mounted and read only. Okay. So now we will check the files. Here it is showing all the AppStream base OS images. Okay. Now we will create an additional directory where we have to copy all the content from this DVD to that newly created folder. Okay. So I'm creating the directory in var. This is directory name is local repo. Okay. So now we will try to copy the content of this DVD to this local repo. Go to the location where we have mounted the DVD. cp-rbh uh, star we can use. Sometimes it doesn't work. Oh, it's showing. I have put here H. So only we have to use cp -rv recursive and verbose. Star means all the content of this folder RHEL8. Okay, RHEL directory. Okay, it's being copied. So it will take some time. So wait for some time while it's copying all the content from this RHEL8 directory to slash var slash local repo. Okay. Here you can see all the content has been copied. So now we will create the repository here. First, we will check the word count, how many packages are copied in this local repo directory. Okay. So 1 minute. It is showing 13. Actually, we are searching in, we are looking at local repo only. But here it is two folders like base OS and also app history. Here it is showing three. Oh, it's okay because it's having only two folders, two directories. To go to the, we will put this command like var. Okay, 1 minute. cd package. Sorry, again we will put the command slash var slash local repo slash base OS. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's showing that. Oh, sorry. Yeah, actually, we have to go to the package folder, app stream and package folder. Here we will give the full path of the base OS, base OS packages. Here we will put the wc command word count. 1744 packages are there. Now we will check in how many packages are there in app stream. So go to the app stream, app stream packages, packages. Yeah, it is showing 7116. Okay, so let's clear this screen and we will now use some command. Here you can see I have noted some information here. You can see base OS is a repo ID and this is comment like name base OS and this is the GPG check. If we put 0 then it will not check and we will put, if we will put 1 then it will check the GPG before installing any packages. Okay, so I'm copying this all the content from here and I will first we will go to the repo directory. Okay, so uh, cd space slash etc yum dot repo dot d. Okay, here uh, there is nothing in this directory, so we will create a file here vi space local repo local dot repo. Okay, the repo file extension is dot repo. Okay, local dot repo. Now I am removing all the this additional information it is which are mentioned in this file. So repo ID and let's open. So first we will remove the additional information, repo ID, command, and this is okay. Yeah, I have removed. Now copying the both of the things and paste in the local.repo file. Okay. Here we have to change the URL like here it is showing dir slash basis, but we have copied the content in slash var slash local repo directory. Okay, so first we have to change the directory path, base URL path. Here first remove the one We'll put here 0 only because it will not check GPG before installing any package. Var slash local. See, Linux is a case sensitive. So if folder name is in capital, you have to put here also in capital. Okay. Give the full path var slash local repo. Now save and exit the file. Now we will remove the cache. So this is a command. You can clear, yeah, clean. We will clean the repository. Here 13 files are removed. Make the cache also DNF make cache. You can see here cache has been built up. Now we will check the repo list. Yeah. Here you can see there are two repos, AppStream and BSOS, and both are enabled. Okay, you can see. So now we will try to install any package using this repository. Okay. So I'm just trying to update this machine. It is showing completed because I have used same DVD for installation of this operating system. That is why there is no any updated file in this repository. So now I'm trying to install any package here. DNF install NGNIX. Here you can see the all the files supported with this Nginx. Uh, we can if we put here why it it will install all the packages including this 54 packages. Okay, so it's done. I think you have understand. So you can practice it in your laptop or any desktop. You can create a virtual environment for practicing this Red Hat course. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and requesting you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video also and share someone who needs to learn this uh, Red Hat Linux. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Let's meet in a next video. Okay, bye bye.